We'll guide you through how to watch YouTube picture-in-picture on an iPad. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So this means you can then go and keep watching YouTube when you're out of the app. You'll have it in a little preview and you can go and open up another app while you keep watching it. It's really great. So we're going to guide you through how this is done step by step. Make sure you watch this full guide and don't skip ahead, otherwise you may miss an important part of this guide. So to go and get started, what we need to do is we need to come out of YouTube for now. We need to go and open up our settings. You can go and find settings just on the home page here. Come on to the left and scroll down. You need to go and find multitasking and gestures. Scroll down and at the bottom, we've got the option start PIP or PIP automatically. Have that switched on. Now, what we need to do is we need to come back to YouTube and we need to go and find the setting in YouTube. So you want to come to the bottom right and you can go and press U. Then you can press the gear cog icon in the top right, go down the left and find playback, switch on picture in picture, close settings. Now what you can do is you can go and start playing a YouTube video, swipe up on it and you go and see that it keeps playing. You can go and pinch on it to resize it and drag it around to where you want it to be. And that's it. I could then go and open up Safari, let's say, and I can go and keep using it. You go and get the idea.